Hey, what's going on, everybody, and welcome. This is Oscar Ramos. Well, as we continue some geopolitical unrest, the price of Bitcoin approaches $40,000. And guess what? We got an amazing gift this morning. AMP token ramping and pumping 40%, which is pretty incredible, pretty close to 3 cents from the 2 cents low, 2 cents. So if you've been an AMP token holder, you know how big that is. Now, the question is, are we gonna sustain the price, or is this just another pump and dump? Well, by the end of the video, I'm gonna give you my latest thoughts, opinions on this cryptocurrency that we've studied for a long time. Plus, in one of my last videos, I told you that Gemini decreased to all 5% to give us an interest. But guess what? I found another platform that gives you 1%, much better if you want to put it to start earning. So sit down, relax, and enjoy the show. Like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. Let's talk about AMP token. As you can tell on the screen right now, this is a price on trading view. We are reaching 0.029 cents, which it's fine. It's okay. Not the best, not the worst that we've seen thus far. But I mean, we got a pump, so we have to, in a way, be happy about it. Let's go ahead and get closer before we do some digging. This is what we've saw thus far in the last 24 hours, 40% up. Then I went to Coinbase and I went to CoinMarketCap and I saw AMP token at number 1 place. And I'm like, great. Oftentimes, we don't really have a real explanation as far as why this pump happened, but this is AMP token. Oftentimes, this is what cryptocurrencies do. All of a sudden, out of the blue. If I had to give you a reason, it will be probably because of just simply whales, price manipulation coming. There's people and the massive investors that have the big pockets understand when the crypto is super down, like for example here, and they take the opportunity to buy a lot to bring the price up, and then they start flushing. Usually what we've seen in the past with AMP token is that this happens, and then in the last couple of hours it takes like triple of the time that it took to the pump to continue going back to the previous price that it was thus far. How do I know that? Well, this is the actual price in the year to date. This that you see, everybody, this is April 2021. This is the lowest after the Coinbase effect pump, which was pretty much the same price, even lower. And this is what we're doing right now. Over this entire time frame, everyone, we were over 5 cents, which was back in the day, the price that a lot of people used to buy, hold them, token, trade, and so not anymore. At this time, we're seeing at 2-3 cents, which is great that it's coming back up. Now, here's the deal. At the bottom, you have the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, that's telling me that before we were touching the oversold. Now it's actually somewhat the same price, and it's in the middle of the RSI. What does that mean? That we've been in this for a long time here, right here at the bottom, since the end of January, when this thing crashed all the way down. Classic cryptocurrency. Now, what am I looking at for the future for AMP token? Well, all that we have on Twitter is a blockchain finality, pretty cool article understanding how payment goes from one to the other party, really explaining and detailing how Flexa network is helping on that, which that's what I'm telling you guys. Although AMP token as of today may not be the greatest investment, return on investment, I can tell you because I'm an AMP holder and have seen it. It is a product that, in my opinion, I will hold for a long time because I still believe that we can have amazing profits later on. I mean, obviously, we don't know exactly how much those profits will be and if we're going to be passing the all-time high. My expectation that we will eventually later on, but it can go past my expectations, way past 20 cents or a little bit close to the all-time high. I am bullish on AMP token, 100 billion. After talking about Tectonic, VVS5, and many other different crypto that have trillions, I think I can still hold my bullish predictions on AMP token. Let me know in the comments down below what do you guys think. Now, on this one, everybody, we have the MACD on the 1 hour view. It's bullish. The signal is getting away from the MACD, which is pretty good. The RSI is close to being overbought, which is okay. It is what we see thus far. But yeah, 40% that we're seeing on the price of AMP token, not bad. I am actually trading AMP token, and if I go, actually, let me show you live. I wasn't planning, but yeah, let me go ahead and show you. Coinbase Pro, I bought $100 of AMP token, and let me see what my position is right now, because if it's more than $100, then I'm in the profits and I can sell. This is just trading money. You guys know that I have 100,000. So okay, no. So take a look at this. I have $95 of AMP token. That means that I bought AMP token much less. Let me go back. I probably bought AMP token somewhere around these levels of the mid 3 cents. So there it is. I think this is a great example. Super happy I remember. Now, what the price of Bitcoin is, everyone, like I'm saying at the very beginning, we're approaching 40,000. And you and I know what's happening in the world right now with the geopolitical unrest with Ukraine and Russia. We talked about it for a while too. I'm pretty happy. We still haven't seen the effects if the United States actually gets more involved. Thus far, the US have said, look, we support you from the distance, Ukraine. We're not going to get in your actual territory. We don't want messes with Russia, which it's understandable. If NATO and the US need to get more involved with Russia and the war, it's going to be a different place for stocks and crypto. Let's go back here, everybody. And on Twitter, no news, only the blockchain finality, which is a pretty cool one. I like it. Right now, 1.74 trillion in the markets. I really am pretty surprised. I'm pretty excited. I can tell you that I wasn't the only YouTuber or crypto person that was surprised or not expecting this. I mean, I was expecting something more bloody because we have a war. But now, once again, we see how the markets react to something until we have other first world level countries getting involved in a war. We have Russia that really cracked the economy down 2 days ago. Now it seems to be back up. Hopes are back up, so which is great. Even the stock market is coming back up too. Guess what? On the Etherscan holders, we know it's more than 3 million globally, but on Etherscan we have approaching 70,000 holders, which, I mean, we've been seeing this since 50,000, since 40,000, since 60,000. Now we're approaching 70. Great news. AMP token, very good. At this time, of course, the fear and greed index, we're at fear 27. So all of this, everyone, it is an opportunity that if you're just new here, if you are actually just coming to the cryptocurrency market, seeing these prices right now, and you're like, I don't understand anything. What I can tell you right now is the prices that you're seeing right now are amazing, are a blessing, are incredible. They may go lower, but as a good friend of mine says, just get in and hold and put it in a good I will say pool or earning interest or staking, and just leave it there if that's what you so desire. If you want to trade it, well, go ahead and start learning some charting, right? But I mean for real, you have Cardano and many so much less, Polkadot, Crocoin, AMP token less than 5 cents. Like, what an amazing prices, right? And it is what it is when the cryptocurrency cycles occur. Now, everybody, here it is. AMP token 0.5%. And classic AMP token, classic Gemini for decreasing all of that. I mean, they can do whatever they want, right? And yep, it's really peanuts what you're really gonna be getting from Gemini on the AMP token you're gonna be getting from Gemini. But Bolt is actually a company that the AMP token Twitter recommended to or like shared, and they have 1%. So for reals, what I'm thinking is once we are on AMP token passing the 5-6 cents, I'm probably gonna remove my Gemini. I'm gonna withdraw my Gemini, all my AMP token from Gemini, and I'm gonna pass it to Ball to get more. If at that point the flexa capacity is still with Ethereum gas fees that are crazy, then I have no choice but to do that. I'm gonna leave this little AMP token that I have for trading purposes on Coinbase Pro. There you guys have it, guys. The latest on AMP token. We got a pump. Really good job, AMP, for trading purposes. Not bad. We've been coming down, but it's sometimes good to come back up and enjoy. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on those notification bells. Check my links down below for your free Bitcoin stocks. And I'll see you next time, everyone. Peace.